In this video, I'll show you how can you transfer photos and video from iPhone to iCloud. In order to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to iCloud, you want to ensure iCloud photos in your iPhone settings. Now this will automatically sync your photos and videos to iCloud and allow you to access them on other devices or through the iCloud website itself. Now to enable it, you simply want to open up the settings or locate the settings. Then tap on your name at the top of the settings app or the iCloud ID. And what next you want to do is simply go and locate iCloud. When you locate it, so you simply want to click that out, and here you want to click on apps. Then you want to go ahead and click on photos and make sure to toggle the button or tap on sync this to iPhone. Once you enable this, now that you log in with any of these iCloud ID, it's going to be backed up and you will be able to transfer photos and video from iPhone to iCloud. So this is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.